As you said, you were using XCard for more than 7 years, and I guess you were hosting your website on some external hosting first, or did you decide to host XCard with us from the very beginning?
We didn't. When we first developed the websites, the hosting was elsewhere. It was with a company in Germany. And then we realised that it was very important for a website to be hosted in the same country where the website is based, from Google. So at this stage, I wasn't aware of XCard hosting, so we moved the sites across to a local company within our area, hosting company, and then I think I'd received a marketing email one day and saw that XCard hosting, so I thought brilliant, because in an ideal world, what I want to do, and I'm trying to do, is eventually I want everything that we have, all to be moved under XCard, just from the simplicity of it, and working with the team there, but also the price as well. The prices are very good. When I looked at the XCard hosting, we was able to massively reduce our hosting prices by moving the sites across to XCard. And what I also liked about it is you guys had introduced data centres within the UK.
Yes.
So that was obviously very important. So I thought, right, that's the one. And we was working with Danila.
Danilo,
Danilo,
Danilo Strichkov,
yeah,
support engineer.
Yeah, for quite a long time, and he was fantastic, very good. In fact, just recently this morning, actually, he had informed me he's been doing some work and he's able to improve the speed of the server, so he's been able to improve the website performance. So that was just one from this morning. But it's just that constant care, really, that we find. A lot of other companies that we've worked with, yes, you can use the services and you can pay and use the service, but it kind of stops there. Doesn't tend to be that extra care afterwards, and we find that's what we get with XCard. So that was the whole meaning, really, about moving the hosting.
I see, thank you. After we changed our hosting infrastructure and moved servers to different data centers around the world, one of them is in London, and we also changed our hard disks to SSDs for the sake of better speed. Did you notice the improvement of speed or anything like that?
We did, yes. Beforehand, because I wanted to measure this beforehand, what I did is I did some analysis on the sites, and I ran like page speed tests and looked at the results in Google Analytics, and I made a note of them. And when we moved the websites across to XCard, there was an improvement in the speed. So yeah, that was very good. So in essence, what we received with the end product was a better server than what we had, but at a cheaper price. So